And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today, boys, we bought a new vehicle, a special operations vehicle, an SOV. It's kind of sort of special, kind of sort of operational. It's definitely a vehicle and it's street legal. So we're gonna go pick that up later on in today's video. We got a big time house update, and then the Nissan GTR Godzilla, AKA the Bug Killer, is getting wider and wider and wider today. We might have an update, we might not. I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver, but we're back, baby, we're back. The reason I always mess this up, I try to go too fast. It's really easy in theory if you do it slowly. I don't want to get caught clickbaiting you guys, but come on, baby, it's my property. I can do whatever I want. There's not like a huge update on the house, just like there's an update. Do not, under any circumstances, be like me. Whoa, whoa. Stability is going to be extremely essential right now. Obviously, these beams can hold like 50,000, probably 100,000 pounds. I only weigh 160 as we walk the line of death. Oh gosh, goodness. As far as construction, we don't have like a ton of updates in today's video, except all the steel work is done, and in 2 weeks they're gonna lay down the concrete slabs. I've already told you guys this a number of times. That's the good news. This right here, this is the good news. However, in 2 weeks after the concrete slabs are laid down, we have some bad news. Construction, I think we might have to stop construction for like 5 months. Historically speaking, in the last 10 years, right now is the worst time to build a custom home, which just so happens to be when we're building a custom home. Precision and accuracy are gonna be essential because that is a long ways down, and to think you guys doubt. How could you doubt me? I just don't get why you guys doubt. Like, it's so easy. It's just a leap of faith. The problem trying to build a house post-pandemic, you can't get anything. Like, every single item is on back order. Appliances, like you wanna get a dishwasher, a laundry machine, good luck. Like, you can't get any of it. Garage doors, we're 5 months out on garage doors alone. Any kind of door, windows, raw materials. We paid so much for concrete. We paid over the moon in steel, and lumber, we're like $450,000 over budget. We bid lumber in October, $450,000 over from October 2020 to current day July 2021. Yes, lumber prices are starting to drop, but we can't get anything else. We might as well just stop construction. Obviously, it's a huge bummer, but I don't know what else to do. Like, we can't get anything. We've arrived back to home sweet home, and look who's right on time every time. Well, look who it is, our favorite AMG boy. Let's see you walk, let's see it, let's see it. This guy's a mountaineer. He climbed a mountain yesterday. He actually exercised for the first time.
Yeah, like 15 years went on a hike, and it was big.
Yeah, 12,000 feet.
Yeah.
Our Uber has arrived. Like I said, guys, I bought a special operations vehicle. I don't want to ruin the surprise.
Is yours?
It is. That's it, boys. We've done it. This guy right here is a terrible influence on me. Look what you just made me do. This is not mine. This is Clayton's. Clayton has a RZR. But ladies and gentlemen, on the 19th of July, 2021, check it out. We have the RZR. What is it, Clayton?
It is a 2021 Polaris RZR.
Get it right, come on, it's the Plus.
Ultimate
it's the
XP,
Ultimate Plus. Pro.
Ultimate XP Pro.
There's a Pro in there, there's a Pro in there. We think there's a Pro, there might be a Goliath, there might be a Mammoth. It's a 4. Here it is.
XP4 Pro.
The XP4 Pro from Polaris. Could you please not break it, Luke? This thing is not cheap. I just dropped 40,000. This thing is brand spanking new. Cold startup on the RZR. Oh, couple baby revs. Am I allowed to rev it? I think there's a break-in period. We don't know. We're definitely not going to get in trouble. Definitely not. We're not going to do anything illegal ever on our side-by-sides. Unless we go to Mexico, maybe. Guadalajara's nicest time of year. No big deal. Oh, we're off-roading. Oh, we're good. We're good. This is so much fun. Look at the squad. We're part of the club. Yeah. What's up, guys? Okay, they think we're idiots. We're gonna leave. Fortunately, they didn't have SpongeBob's, but we're quite prepared. We have sour sketty, we have sour punch bites, we have an assortment of airheads and corn nuts and a Reese's Pieces. But in the event that we got a power bar. Simple technique in theory.
Look at that technique.
But it's critical. Whoa. You gotta get the upper thighs, boys. Okay? You just spread and lather, okay?
Nobody wants to see that.
What do you mean? This is a good angle. Well, guys, we're 9.5 miles in, and we gotta climb up and over that mountain and back down. Obviously, there's like a break-in period, but sometimes in life, never doubt both ends. Let Clayton go first, but luckily, we got these things. We forgot sunglasses, though. I can't see. I legit cannot see. Oh my gosh. We're good. We're good. How you doing, Luke? You all right? Yeah, I'm good. Well, guys, we're about 14 minutes in, and the brand new RZR is covered in dust. Where did you bring us?
On a trail.
We were gonna take this to the mall. I know that was really, the way I said mall right there was really annoying. Oh, we're going full set. Oh my gosh. Luke doesn't know what he got himself into. He's a vomiter. We got 13 miles off this thing. Brand spanking. Oh my gosh. Hold on, boys. Hold on. Obviously, Clayton's like a mile in front of us. How you doing, big boss? Oh, doing good. If you got to vomit. You vomit if you got to. I'm sure I will. No hands, Mom. Look. They're all melted. No. There's just a bunch of goop.
Oh no.
Airhead goop.
Try it.
Oh. Oh, it still tastes good.
It looked delicious.
Still really good. It's delicious. Clayton just looks over at me. He's like, "You do know you're more prone to flipping, right?" I was like, "Because I'm a terrible driver?"
No, it's the razor. You need long arm travel.
If I flip it, it's not my fault. It's the razor's fault.
Oh, it is.
Right?
Dude, are you alright? Are you alright?
I'm good.
Bro, are you kidding me?
No. We may have had a slight mishap. The airheads.
No.
We're good.
James, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh my gosh.
Get out first.
Bro, turn it off. Did that just happen?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, legit, I feel bad filming you, but are you okay?
I'm okay. I may have a concussion, I might not.
You look like you probably smashed pretty hard.
Whew. Wow, how'd it look?
Yeah, you're gonna have to watch that back, but dude, you
We have 18 miles on this thing.
Oh my gosh. I don't have to say other than, are you okay? Like now that you know.
Dude, I smacked so hard there.
Dude, it
was all
so
like
bad.
slow motion. See, the problem is, I felt like the first two didn't look good and you guys were making fun of me. I was like, I gotta make this one look really, really, really good. And I sent it a little too hard. I'm all right, I'm good. Good. I'm good.
Well, luckily Clayton.
Get your wheel side down.
Clayton's got a winch, so I think we're good.
Oh, we're good. Wow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, a special operations vehicle. And when I say special, I mean the driver anyways. I'm 100% fine. I might have flipped.
So the craziest thing is that the razor's also totally fine.
Do you remember when Clayton said, just be careful, you're more prone to flipping?
Yes. How many miles are on this?
17, 18, no, there's 18 probably.
The belt's not even worn in yet.
The belt should be fine. Yeah. At the dealership, they're like, just be careful about the belt up to 20 miles. They didn't say anything else about the razor.
You should send him a photo real quick. You're like, I think something's wrong with the belt. All right, let's get you.
We gotta get a photo. Yeah, we gotta get a photo with the
on that
boys.
thing.
All right.
I'm starting to hyperventilate just a little bit. The adrenaline is starting to wear off. That was my vlog arm. I almost lost my vlog arm. I was almost out of a job, but we're good. All the snacks are fine. That's the most important part. All the snacks are totally fine. The sour sketty's good, the Powerades are good, but I almost legit lost my arm. That was scary, but also exciting and exhilarating, but also really scary. So Clayton made a really, really good point. Obviously, there's a lot of fluids. It's really bad for the engine. So luckily, like I said, thankfully Clayton has a winch, but I thought we were gonna, wait, no, I said that. I said you're gonna use the winch to pull me out of the ditch.
No, we're gonna use the recovery
We just didn't really, recovery strap.
Better.
Oh, we're good.
The plan, just so you guys are aware, I'm gonna back up really, really slow and it should just lift up and set down on its wheels.
Hello. We're good. Hurry, Clayton. They're gonna see it. They're gonna see us. It's the first time I've ever flipped a vehicle in my entire life. I was trying to send it for you guys. I was trying to impress you guys because I'm an amateur. And oh, money. Ayo, no big deal. It's like she's brand new. Initial inspection, we have some battle wounds right here. The roll bar took the brunt of it. Yeah, that's not gonna buff out. Well, I think she's for sale. Never crashed, never rolled. Oh no, close, please
it's like
close.
Stefan's donk.
Hey guys, we're good, brand new. I'll trade you straight up. Close, please close. Get it, son, get it.
Oh my God.
Should we just take the door off?
What's wrong with it?
It won't close, Clayton.
Well, no, yeah, but obviously.
Oh, geez. Oh, that's just gotta clip in. We're fine, Luke. Okay, that's not gonna clip.
You might want
It's got 18 miles on
order.
it.
Okay, you got a little
Yeah, but remember Damon was telling us I had to get a new roll bar anyways?
You did.
Now I really need to.
And that could have been your face.
Yes.
Right.
So I think you'll still be able to make it home no problem.
My face is good though. Well, I mean,
Yeah. Anyway.
off camera, Clayton just fixed it. This
would you do
guy.
without me?
Honestly, Clayton, I have no idea. You're sticking around forever because the rest of our lives you're gonna be pulling me out of ditches and unflipping my razor. The moment of truth. Come on, baby. Work with me. Work with me. We have electronics. And to think we downed it. That's no big deal. No big deal. Massive shout out to Polaris Off-Road. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's 17. You can't see. You cannot see. It's 17.7 miles. You guys ready to go? What's the holdup, bro?
You gotta shut your door. I gotta pack up from saving you.
See you later. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It was a joke. So I realized I took most of the brunt of it right here on the side muffin top. We're good. God bless the muffin top. So you know how some dealerships have like a 30-day return policy where you can return it for any reason whatsoever?
We're supposed to go that way.
I think we're gonna head that way and just return it with 17.7 miles. I'm just kidding. So Clayton's gonna follow us. He's the cleanup crew in case anything falls off. I'm no engineer, but everything seems as designed. It appears that we're totally fine. Control arms seem good. I'm not gonna say never doubt we'll send it because obviously in my life I could use a little bit more doubt. I'm not gonna say I have a concussion, but I think maybe Luke should drive just for a little bit. He's a little bit better of a driver than I am, you might say. So remember, if you break it, you buy it, okay? This thing is brand new. It's already broken, bro. For sale. Razor, no accidents, never flipped if you want to buy it. Luke just asked me if we should have it in 4 high or 4 low. He's like, well, the dude at the dealership said for braking period we should have it in low. I think it's broken in. I think we're probably all right.
You got 6 more miles till break in. You only got 19 miles now.
We now have 52 miles. Do you notice anything out of character?
No, they sold it to you without a bumper and a fender.
Yeah, out of character, like it's sideways.
We may have had
and there's a small,
just a slight mishap. Burlacker! What's up, big boss?
What are you doing on the roof, Batman?
I'm alive.
hey,
Where's the horn in this jalopy?
that's supposed to be
Oh.
not like that.
Yeah, we kind of had a little bit of a spill.
You hit a
A slight spill.
No, look at this, man.
You rolled it.
Look at the roll bar.
Oh my gosh. Where was this at?
Long ways from here. Today's been a tough day for Luke and I.
I just stepped in Oscar's dog crap, dude.
Today's kind of really a metaphor for life. I would reckon, yeah, it's a metaphor for life. Sometimes in life, you get turned over sideways and you don't know how to recover. But you got a friend who's smarter and more competent than you. Not this friend, Clayton.
Yes.
You got to persevere and you got to never, ever, ever give up.
Sometimes crappy things happen and sometimes literally crap happens.
Oscar, we love you and we support you. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like, squad, be sure to smash that like button. Turn it up, Luke. It's got a good sound system. Just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.